Example: A,
He's typing on the keyboards.
B,
He's resting both arms on the desk.
C,
He's pointing at the monitor.
D.
He's holding the receiver to his ear.
Possible answers:
He's talking on the phone. He's making a phone call. The computer has been turned on.
Expressions: 1,
Distributing materials.
Distributing materials.
2,
Examining a document.
Examining a document.
3,
Filing the paper.
Filing the paper.
4,
Looking through some papers.
Looking through some papers.
5,
Paging through a folder.
Paging through a folder.
6,
Putting the papers in a pile.
Putting the papers in a pile.
7,
Reviewing some documents.
Reviewing some documents.
8,
Entering some data into the computer.
Entering some data into the computer.
9,
Typing up a document.
Typing up a document.
10,
Working at the keyboard.
Working at the keyboard.
11,
Be scattered around the room.
Be scattered around the room.
12,
Exchanging business cards.
Exchanging business cards.
13,
Organizing the desk.
Organizing the desk.
14,
Stretching back in his seat.
Stretching back in his seat.
Example: A,
He's working on the wires.
B,
He's operating a machine.
C,
He's going up the pole.
D.
He's in line at the post office.
Possible answers:
He's wearing safety equipment. He's at the top of the pole. He's repairing the wires.
Expressions: 1,
Be under construction.
Be under construction.
2,
Be stacked on top of one another.
Be stacked on top of one another.
3,
Building a brick wall.
Building a brick wall.
4,
Climbing up the ladder.
Climbing up the ladder.
5,
Digging a hole.
Digging a hole.
6,
Hammering pieces of wood.
Hammering pieces of wood.
7,
Looking at the blueprint.
Looking at the blueprint.
8,
Putting up a building.
Putting up a building.
9,
Repairing a power cable.
Repairing a power cable.
10,
Sawing the boards.
Sawing the boards.
11,
Working underground.
Working underground.
12,
Unloading the shipment.
Unloading the shipment.
13,
Packing up the equipment.
Packing up the equipment.
14,
Working with a tool.
Working with a tool.
15,
Working in an assembly line.
Working in an assembly line.
Example: A,
She's working in a laboratory.
B,
She's looking through a telescope.
C,
She's labeling a sample.
D.
She's prescribing some medicine.
Possible answers.
She's looking into a microscope. She's wearing a lab coat. She's using laboratory equipment.
Expressions. 1,
Removing the lid.
Removing the lid.
2,
Labeling a sample.
Labeling a sample.
3,
Pouring liquid into a glass.
Pouring liquid into a glass.
4,
Setting up the equipment.
Setting up the equipment.
5,
Holding up a test tube.
Holding up a test tube.
6,
Adjusting a scientific instrument.
Adjusting a scientific instrument.
7,
Using laboratory equipment.
Using laboratory equipment.
8,
Looking into the microscope.
Looking into the microscope.
9,
Wearing a lab coat.
Wearing a lab coat.
Example. A,
The people are sitting across from each other.
B,
The people are standing around a conference table.
C,
Some people are putting away the chairs.
D.
Some people are listening to a presentation.
Possible answers.
A woman is making a presentation. The presenter is pointing at the board. There are several glasses on the table.
Expressions. 1,
Having a meeting.
Having a meeting.
2,
Sitting opposite each other.
Sitting opposite each other.
3,
Sitting across from each other.
Sitting across from each other.
4,
Writing in a notebook.
Writing in a notebook.
5,
Setting up a projector.
Setting up a projector.
6,
Delivering a presentation.
Delivering a presentation.
7,
Making a presentation.
Making a presentation.
8,
Giving a presentation.
Giving a presentation.
9,
Attending a presentation.
Attending a presentation.
10,
Listening to a speaker.
Listening to a speaker.
11,
Facing a group of people.
Facing a group of people.
Hacker's practice. Choose the statement that best describes what you see in each picture and write down other possible answers. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A,
An office worker is hanging up the phone.
B,
One woman is passing a file to another.
C,
One woman is making a copy of a document.
D.
A clerk is putting away a file.
Possible answers.
One woman is handing a file to another. One woman is talking on the telephone. The files are arranged in a row.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A,
The women are developing some film.
B,
The women are trying on some hats.
C,
The women are looking into microscopes.
D.
The women are doing some shopping.
Possible answers.
All the workers are wearing the same clothes. They are wearing uniforms. They're adjusting the scientific instruments.
Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
They're looking at a chart.
B.
They're speaking to an audience.
C.
They're sitting around a table.
D.
They're arranging chairs.
Possible answers.
One of the women is raising her hand. They are looking in different directions. The man is gesturing with his hands.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
He's adjusting his glasses.
B.
He's operating some machinery.
C.
He's repairing the power cable.
D.
He's unloading some boxes.
Possible answers.
He is working on some machinery. The man is wearing glasses.